Hello my beauties, welcome and all welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you have seen in the thumbnail, I am going to review a toner. I am such a big fan of Korean toners and I am a certified toner paglu now. You can tell because I love experimenting with toners and toners play a very vital role in my skincare game. Like when you feel thirsty, when you drink water, like how your body takes up all the water and you instantly feel hydrated. In the same way, when I clean my face, even if I'm not using anything, मैं toner use करती हूँ because I feel it plays that thing like my skin feels thirsty and it instantly drinks up everything. And toner जब मैं apply करती हूँ तो it makes the other products absorbed into my skin as well. And I feel कि toners बहुत अच्छा बढ़िया work करता है. And toners में कोरियन का कोई मात नहीं दे सकता, कोरियन को कोई मात नहीं दे सकता. I feel Korean toners are so good. So instantly I got my hand when this got released. बहुत दिन से मैं देख रही थी, but this was so costly. Like for 160 ml, you the price you pay is 1450. The MRP is 1450. तो मैं बहुत दिन से देख रही थी and तुरंत जैसे ही मुझे तीरा ब्यूटी में मुझे ऑफर में दिखा तो मैंने ले लिया. आई गॉट इट फॉर 800 एंड इसका एक छोटा बॉटल भी आता है, लाइक दैट इज फॉर 90 ml और 70 ml, आई डोंट नो. एंड वो 700 800 में मिल रहा था एंड 160 ml मुझे 800 में मिला. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स अ ग्रेट डील एंड आई गॉट माय हैंड एंड आई एम यूजिंग दिस फॉर लाइक 1 month नाउ. इतना सा मैंने 1 month में यूज किया बिकॉज यू नीड वेरी टाइनी अमाउंट ऑफ इट. दिस इज so मॉइस्चराइजिंग एंड so good. Like all that good stuff I am going to review, so you need to watch this. Okay, I have directly, like, this toner is so good and my skin loves this toner so much that I instantly started talking about this toner without any delay and all sort of things. So what you get in this toner is that obviously there is green tea. Like green tea, my skin loves green tea as an ingredient. बहुत अच्छा work करता है. Like for combination normal and oily skin, green tea is very good. It has ceramide milk which is said to repair the barrier, and there is 9 hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid, it makes your skin plumpy, juicy and baby soft, and obviously there is ceramide. So all that good stuff is there. Like एक साइड में आपको इंग्लिश में मिलता है and दूसरा साइड में you everything is written in Korean language. Okay, not the Korean, some other language it is written. Okay, so that is it. The MRP is 1450, but obviously you will get this on offer. Especially Clear Beauty में offer आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. Now, when I'm starting to say about this toner is not for oily skin. Come throughout the year, but oily skin people can use this during the winters because their skin will love it and they will not need a separate moisturizer or something like that if your skin is super oily. But then normal dry combination, every skin type people will love using this. Super dry skin will need something more after using this. Combination skin, you can like single handedly use this throughout the year. Like मैं इसको single handedly use करती हूँ और मुझे कुछ नहीं लगता है. बट विंटर में ऑब्वियसली लगेगा जब वेदर थोड़ा सा कोल्ड होता है, थोड़ा सा ड्राई होता है, मैं इसके ऊपर एसेंस सीरम वगैरह यूज करती हूँ. बट दिस वन इज so hydrating and my love for Milky toners is never ending. Like thank you Pharma का Milky toner is my favorite. Next I am from का Milky toner मैंने use किया है, that is also my favorite. Like let me show you the texture of this. Like it, you can see it's not super runny, it's not like very thick. The consistency is how you would like a toner to be, and the moisturizing factor like instantly, and your skin will love this. Believe me, your skin will love this because there is all good ingredients. और ये सारे ingredients कोई भी skin type को problem नहीं करेगा. Like whatever skin type you are, this ingredients will suit you. And barrier को ये मत पूछिए, barrier को इतना अच्छे से ये repair कर देता है. Like if your barrier is damaged or whatever, this will repair your barrier. And take my words, buy this, your skin will love it. And if you are dry skin, normal skin, your skin will thank you if you are using this. Like this toner is so good. मुझे थैंक यू फार्मा का राइस टोनर छोड़ के उतना ज्यादा पसंद कोई और टोनर नहीं लगा. टोनी मोली का भी मैंने यूज किया, सब मैंने मिल्की टोनर्स यूज किया. आई एम फ्रॉम का उतना ज्यादा मुझे पसंद नहीं है. आई नो दैट इज अ वेरी वायरल वन जो सबको पसंद है, बट मुझे ठीक ठाक लगा. बट आफ्टर थैंक यू फार्मा यू टेल मी कि कौन सा टोनर अच्छा है, देन दिस टोनर इज so गुड. लाइक लेट मी शो यू, सी द कंसिस्टेंसी. इंस्टेंटली बेबी सॉफ्ट एंड सपल बना देगा आपके स्किन को. like see you can see it for yourself. एंड बहुत ही थोड़ा सा क्वांटिटी में आपको जरूरत होता है एंड पूरा स्किन में अब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा, गिविंग दिस अ सुपर डुपर ग्लोइंग स्किन. लाइक कभी कभी तो मैं इसको मेकअप के नीचे भी अप्लाई कर लेती हूँ एंड आई टेल यू नॉट, इतना अच्छा मेरा स्किन लगता है जैसे मैंने स्किन को पानी पिलाया है, बिल्कुल वैसा मेरा स्किन लगता है. Okay, so my baby boy is right over here playing, so you may hear some kind of noises. Please excuse me for that. And मैं अभी उसको खिला के आई हूँ, and you can still see, like it's not patchy. It will instantly get absorbed into your skin. Okay, and it's super duper glowy. Like I don't have words to explain that how good this toner is. It instantly and also tell you कि next day जब आप रात को first जब आप रात को अप्लाई करेंगे, next day जब आप wake up करेंगे सुबह, you will see baby soft, like baby का बम जैसा नहीं होता, बिल्कुल वैसा आपका skin हो जाएगा, and it will brighten up your skin. Like if you have acne, any that sort of thing, it just vanishes everything. It repairs your barrier. If you have flaky skin, if you have super dry skin, whatever skin, this is going to suit you, and I promise you on that. Yes, this is a Korean product, and in toners, Korean से ज़्यादा बेहतर toner कोई भी नहीं बना सकता है, कोई भी नहीं. Okay, and when I'm saying all these good things, don't think he's sponsored है. I wish this was sponsored Korean. Please, आप लोग ये जो brand है Innisfree, I love it. I love their brand because कोई भी ऐसा product नहीं था Innisfree का जो मुझे disappoint किया है. And this video is not a sponsored video. When I'm saying all these good things, I have purchased this with my own money, and I have not been sponsored, or this is not a paid collab or any that sort of a thing. This has been bought with my very own money, and that was all for this toner. I don't know what more do you want to hear about this toner so that you get your hand on this toner. So you can see, like you can see. अच्छा मैं light off करके आपको दिखाती हूँ. Like मैंने ring light off कर दिया. This is my room's natural, like not natural light, tube light. Okay. So see the glow. Can you see? So आपको अगर ये आपके बजट में है, and if you even if you're getting this on offer, please grab this and thank me later. So that was all for today's video. In case you like my video, then you know what you have to do: like, share, and subscribe to my channel.